Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to organize and store my turkey meat inside the freezer, and I am also going to tell you how much I bought this meat. If you're watching me for the first time or you've been coming to my channel and you have not subscribed, do me well by subscribing and turn on the bell for notifications so that when next I upload another video, you will get notified. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think about this video at the comment section. If you like this video, give it a like. Keep watching. So this is the nylon I'm going to be using. This is best used for stuffs like this. Okay, so inside one nylon, I am going to be adding 12 pieces of this turkey wings inside. We are 6 in the family. Okay, I don't usually eat this. Sometimes I eat, sometimes I don't. So it is not necessary that we are going to be eating it too, but I like to put 12 in each nylon. Okay, so that is what I'm going to keep doing until I am done. Yes, so actually this is the last one, and I want to tell you how much I bought this carton of turkey wings. I bought it at 25 euros. Yes, and I got like 6 packs. Am I right? Yes, I got 6 packs. So, and I'm going to be using this for the whole month. Yes, I'm sure definitely that this is going to serve us for the month. Yes, 6. This is a price, 25 euros. Okay. Can you be kind enough to let me know how much you will usually buy this at your area at the comment section? And thank you so much for watching up to this time. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go on and subscribe, okay? And turn on the bell for notifications. So this is me storing it inside my freezer. And inside my freezer, I've got other stuffs, fish and vegetables. Thank you so much and bye.